try and identify it. This is a Nara tree, and the scientific of Nara is Vilnos pterocarpus.
The Nara reaches an average height of 25 to 35 meters with a trunk that extends up to 2 meters diameter. Its leaves are 12 to 22 centimeter long pinnate with 5 to 11 leaflets, and the grade is 12 to 35 meters wide.
Lanzones tree, and the scientific name is Lantium domesticus.
Lanzones is a slender and very tall tree, 15 to 30 centimeter high with a straight trunk with measure to 20-30 centimeter or more in diameter, slender upright branches, and an open area.
Scientific name is Napalium lapacum.
Rambutan tree are evergreen with a reddish bushy appearance, growing to a maximum height of 30 meter. The leaves are simple pinnate, compound, 15 to 40 centimeter long, and arranged alternately.
This is a Macopa tree, and the English of Macopa is wax apple. The scientific name is Syzygium malacense.
Macopa is a tropical tree growing up to 12 meters tall with a relatively short and wide trunk. Bark is a pinkish gray in color, flaking readily. Leaves are elliptic and round at the base, 10 to 25 centimeters long and 5 to 10 centimeters wide.
This is a jackfruit tree, and the scientific name is Artocarpus heteripilus.
Jackfruit tree is 15 to 20 meters tall. At maturity, it has large, stiff, glossy green leaves about 15 to 20 centimeter long. The small unisexual flower are borne on dense inflorescences that emerge directly from.
This is a coconut tree, and the scientific name is Cocos nucifera.
Coconut tree can vary in size and thickness, but they look similar to a standard palm. The trunks are slender and the trees themselves generally rise to a height about 80 feet. The bases of coconut trees are thick and the top of the tree is capped by the growth of.
This is a star apple tree, and the scientific name is Chrysophyllum caimito.
The caimito tree is about 5 meters high and has olive-like leaves, dark green above the silvery beneath. The large white flowers have purplish crimson interiors. The oblong fruit is approximately 5 centimeters long and dull green in color, marked with the crimson.
This is a durian tree, and the scientific name is Dorio civitinus.
The durian can measure about 50 meters high and 120 centimeters of trunk diameter, although cultivars intended for fruit production usually do not exceed 12 meters. It has a dense regular crown. The leaves are simple, large, elliptical, or oblong.
This is a manga tree, and the scientific of manga is Magnifera indica.
Mangoes have erect stem growing very fast when weather conditions are favorable. Tough leaves, lanceolate up to 30 cm long, bright green, darker than underside, lanceolate and entire.
This is a falcata tree, and the scientific of falcata is Falcataria mulacana.
Falcata, it is a medium-sized to fairly large tree up to 40 meter tall. The bole is branchless for up to 20 meter and up to 100 centimeter and sometimes more in a diameter.
This is the Attis tree, and the English of Attis is sugar apple, and the scientific name is Anonas squamosa.
Attis is a small tree, 3 to 5 meters in height. Leaves are somewhat hairy when young, oblong, 8 to 15 centimeters long. Flowers occur singly in the axils of the leaves, about 2.5 centimeters long.
This is a bamboo tree, and the scientific of bamboo tree is Bambus verde.
Bamboo are typically fast-growing perennials, with some species growing as much as 30 cm per day. The woody rings, stem known as columns, are typically hollow between the rings, and gold branches cluster from the thick rhizome.
This is a anislag tree, and the scientific of anislag is Secoreniga flexusa.
The anislag plant height can reach from 10 to 20 meters, and its diameter and breast height measures 2,040 centimeters.